Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Claude AI for free in 2026, how the free plan works, what limitations you should expect, and some tips that can help you maximize your usage without paying a subscription. So first things first, what is Claude AI? Let's clear up one common misconception right away. Claude AI does offer a free plan, but it's not truly unlimited. You can find that when you head into the profile section and then head straight to the settings. Click on settings here and then head into billing and click on upgrade plan. And you'd see that you're placed on the free plan. There is the free, there's the pro, there's the max, as well as the team and enterprise. So these are different plans for different people. All right, so Anthropic's official information showcases that the Claude has a free tier, which is available at no cost, but the usage is limited compared to paid plans. So the free plan is worth, $0. The paid plan is $17 a month, which is then billed annually. So this is the annual. So if you move over to monthly, it costs about $20 per month. And the max plan is about $100. If you move over to yearly, you're getting it for around $200 or $100. All right, so after you've created your account, signed up to Claude, the next step you're going to be taking is understanding the free limits. So the biggest thing you need to understand is that Claude free plans has its dynamic limits. Usage varies depending on server demand, conversation length, file uploads, and how complex your requests are. Free users may receive only a limited number of messages before needing to wait for their quota to refresh. So there are a few factors that affect your usage, as I mentioned earlier, such as the prompt length. Let's say you're trying to prompt Claude. The length you actually have determines how much of the software you can use, or as well as attachments. When you click on the plus icon here and click on add files, the attachment size also matters. And besides that, your chat history, your chat size, the server load at the time, and complexity of task. All right, so how can you make the most out of Claude? By first using the free features most people miss out on. So many people think the free version is just basic chats, but Claude includes several powerful features. Depending on availability, free users can access projects, can also access file uploads here. You could also have projects, as I said earlier. You could make use of skills, document analysis, artifacts, and other productivity features. You could write articles, summarize PDFs, create spreadsheets, brainstorm your business ideas, and also have help with coding. You do actually have help with coding. When you click on code, you could ask it to design several things for you, or you could just simply enter a random prompt. There is also research assistance. When you click on the learn option here, it can, help you with research. Now, another step you could take to enjoy the most out of Claude is by reducing how fast you hit your limits. If you want to maximize your free usage, there are a few strategies that can help. The first tip is starting new chats frequently. Long conversations consume more context and can reduce how many messages you get in the chat. Another thing is keep your prompts focused. So keep your prompts short, clear, and typically use fewer resources than normal. By fewer resources, I mean pulling up your files, making projects, connectors, and the rest, or even adding plugins. Just try to keep everything small if your conversation isn't going to be extended. And also avoid uploading larger files unless necessary. As I said, large documents consume significantly more processing power, which reduces the amount of time you can spend with Claude. Another tip is breaking large projects into smaller tasks. So instead of asking Claude to do everything at once, you could work in smaller steps on different chats. And then the next step to enjoying Claude is using Claude for high value tasks. If you're using the free plan, focus on tasks where Claude provides the most values, such as YouTube script writing, email writing, business plan settings, resume creation, content calendars, coding help, or research summaries. This helps you get more useful work done before reaching your usage limits. And another thing is understanding how your usage resets. So before you can get the most out of Claude, you have to understand how it resets. Claude usage isn't mainly measured as a simple daily limit. Instead, limits are often based on rolling usage windows. Availability can change depending on demand, Anthropic has also adjusted the usage behavior during peak and off-peak periods. So, your usage may depend on your time of day, the server demand, prompt complexity, and account tier. So, if you're on a lower tier, you may need to scale up in order to have more stretched out conversations. Another thing you can do is also avoiding, mistakes that people make. That's common mistakes. Some mistakes that cause users to hit their limits faster is uploading huge files repeatedly. So let's say you were to click on the attachments and add files, and you go ahead to select some huge files instead of, picking some smaller files. Keeping one conversation running for days, that is, you keep on conversating in the same window, it may cause you to hit your limit. Asking multiple massive tasks in one prompt, leaving unnecessary chat history active. Keeping your conversation organized can help significantly improve your experience. And moving on to the next step, can you actually get truly unlimited Claude use? This is where the important things start to get realistic. There is currently no official way of truly getting unlimited Claude AI usage for free. The free plan includes usage restrictions, so Anthropic's paid plans exist specifically for users who need higher capacity. So if you use websites or videos that claim to have unlimited cloud access for free, be careful while using those videos or watching them, and verify the information before you try their methods. And then when should you upgrade? If you consistently hit your limits, that's usually a sign that you've outgrown your free plan. According to Anthropic, paid plans are designed for users who need more capacity and more frequent usage. So you should stay on the free plan if you're a casual user, you're just learning how to make use of AI, and you also have occasional projects that you're looking to engage in. And besides that, there is the upgrade if you have daily use for Claude, if you're a business, or if you have heavy content creation. Alright guys, and that's how you can use Claude AI for free in 2026. While the free version isn't truly unlimited, you can still get tremendous amount of value from it by understanding how limits work and how you can use your available messages efficiently. Alright guys, so if you found this helpful, make sure to hit a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.